ampo menya ampo mo bubu no. Good morning, how are you all doing? Welcome to the channel. My name is Mama Jankroma. In today's video, as you can see in the thumbnail, we are making a chicken house. Before we dive into the video, I want to take this moment to thank you all for watching my video, for my subscribers, for my returning subscribers. Thank you all for watching my video, for liking, for commenting, and for sharing. Thank you very, very much. I really, really appreciate it. You mean a lot to me. So let me share this with you how this all came about. In 2022-2023, I started gardening and I wanted to do an organic garden, but I don't have anywhere to get my manure, whether chicken, goat, or cow. There's no farm close to me which I can source the manure. So I chose to um, raise my own chicken. So I started with 20 chickens and I bought it from the local store right here, which wasn't a good source. So I wanted for 20 layers, but unfortunately for me, I got 14 layers and then 6 male. So I brought them home when they were 4 weeks old, and at 24 weeks, they started laying. And I started selling some of the eggs, and I realized that it's profitable. So I wanted to do more, but I didn't have the capital. So that was the end of it. So here I was enjoying my organic banana from my garden. My dad was actually hiding it from me. He knows that when I see it, I'm going to finish it before anyone else sees it. So he was hiding it for me, but unfortunately for him, I saw it and I started eating it. He was like surprised, very, very surprised. He knows that I won't go into that old structure. So he was very surprised and he was asking me, like, how did I see it? Have I eaten everything? I said, no, I left some for him. I was lying. They were all green. They weren't ready. So here I was enjoying it. And then we were discussing how we are going to demolish the whole thing. Early this year, I got someone, actually my brother, who was interested in reeling them, but he doesn't have the time, doesn't have the space for it. So I partnered with him, and then here we go. Hello guys, good morning. How are you all doing? Hope you're all doing well. It's a beautiful day, a beautiful morning for another beautiful video. Well, it's been a several days since I recorded the first video. Yeah, we had an emergency at home. You know, my mom is suffering from stroke for the past 6 years now. We are heading to 7 years. And my dad also got sick, so we've been in and out of the hospital for the past 5 days, and I'm tired emotionally and physically because already the expenses exceed my budget. No, let me rephrase it. The expenses exceed my income. So him getting sick was emotionally stressful to me because I know that I'm going to get another burden. But in God we trust. You know, with God all things are possible. So I'm just tired and I'm supposed to be in school today, but I'm tired. I didn't want to go anywhere. I slept in and it's already 9 a.m. I just woke up, I'm hungry, and then I wanted to be active too. So I'm I'm going to prepare something quick to eat, nothing fancy, very quick. We have a wrap plantain there, so I'm going to fry plantain Yes, and then after eating, we will go ahead and then demolish the goat skin and then make it a chicken house. Yes, we're going to make a chicken house. I'm so excited about this journey. I'm really, really desperate for additional income, and I have to make good use of this weekend because on Monday I have to resume work. I've closed my shop for a very long time because there's a whole lot going on, and in the future I'm going to share with you guys because you are my family now, so I'm going to give you every details about it. So yeah, let's get into the video. So here I have my eggs on fire, which is almost cooked. You know Ghanaians and eggs, you have 5 and 6, nothing can come between us. And then I have my plantain. I've already cut them and then ready to be fried. So guys, this is our outdoor kitchen, which I hate using a lot because it uses sawdust, firewood, and the smoke. No, I really don't like it. I prefer using Coop or gas. So there's a whole lot these bushes. So I have to clear all this cassava, and then we are going to start removing the roofing sheets, and then we know where we are going. This is absolutely chaotic. So I have my, oh my goodness, the rain. The rain. The rain have killed my rosemary. The rain. Oh God. Guys, I hope they survive. They are ready for transplanting. Guys, look at this. It's been raining consistently, so I haven't attained my garden. I haven't planted much. And look at this potatoes. It's a branch, and look at this. It's a potato. A potato is growing, but I still have to uproot everything. You're going to take everything down. I can't even find it. It has tangled a lot. Whoops. So I am keeping everything here for the meantime. I'm keeping everything here for the meantime, and by tomorrow I'll be putting everything in its appropriate place. For my rosemary, I'm hoping that it bounce back. Okay guys, right now you can see that I've already cleared the trees here, cassava trees over here. So we are going to take down the roofing sheet for today, and then we continue next time, because I thought it was going to be an easy job, but well, I'm really going to need help, hopefully. So guys, here I have been able to cut all the cassava tree here, and this is how everything is looking like as at now. So right now I'm going to separate the leaves from the cassava stick, so that I'll be able to use it later. So guys, I have been able to separate the leaf from the stem. This one is a good one. So we are going to use it to plant cassava in the garden, because it's very necessary. We don't have anything to plant this season because of the rain. It has spoiled everything. So we are going to I'm going to leave this one at the other side of the land for the goats around to feed on. I was somewhere. My farm. I think. I want to read about.
Elections.
Again?
Elections. MVP elections.
If you school, I beg.
So it's cousin.
I know.
I don't know.
I know.
I know. I feel like you know, I'm fast.
Hey, boy. Mamudo. No, Mama Mundo.
How come I'm here too? Okay.
Some phone on Sana even just by the even.
I did video.
Yep.
And I post that.
Yeah.
Going for TikTok.
Eh.
They post videos on TikTok. I leave you.
Yeah, oh my God. I had a me, you man, for you. With you, and I'll post up.
Say cat baby video. Say cat baby video. Now start it here. On posting it. Remember no suntia. Remember no suntia. Remember no suntia.
Remember no I follow. I follow. Mama, me delete YouTube videos are. Me downloaded them. I mention it later. Say the face kakra.
I'm your photo. Never mana. Never mana. Why then?
I am a photographer.
Our program. We trash it up. We postpone it next week. Send me back answer later. Send them and get a photo. Next week, mama. You need to change around that. Anita. Ende. Ne di anwale.
No.
Venyan ko. Kan ponchini venyan. Venyan ponchini aya.
Ponchina wo wi ne sanso benya.
Uwi o bonchi. Na nya no we.
Wono kunni.
We ya. No we mo we, wo mo we.
Ponchi be bre. Ye wo tam ya bo so no we.
So na that.
Order hade. Order inside wo ina. Ano open pa the first time we do pa ado.
Okay.
Na wa wo phone.
Hey.
I didn't tell us in San Ho.
Yeah. Yo, nem sushi.
this is the mess I made today. I have cleared all the roofing sheets, and this is how everything is looking. You can see that the structure isn't strong. At first I thought I will be able to use it, but I realized that no way. So I'm closing for today and continue tomorrow. If God willing, there's no rain, I will continue with it. So if you are able to watch me till now, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribing button. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Tell me your ideas, what I can do. And yeah, that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.